Valve Industry Forum Expo is the premier and unique venue in Russia, which serves as a place of assembly for the leading experts of the pipeline valves industry.
The forum, which was held last year and is due to be hosted in 2015, in my opinion, is the most up-to-date and meets the needs of the present time, and what's more, is arranged by the most energetic group of experts, who by their active involvement and valuable contribution proved to be worthwhile and knowing what's what.
The initiators of the forum were the leading companies of the valve industry that form part of the Scientific and Industrial Valve Manufacturers Association. The forum was created solely for the purpose to combine efforts, so that the brand new event could become the place where the modern challenges of the industry were met, where the most recent problems were solved by the collaborative efforts of the manufacturers, designers and those who use the equipment, as well as the discussions of the innovations and valve industry development strategies were held.
I think as the forum gains momentum by 2015, it becomes an event of a significant interest for all the players of the valve industry and our customers, partners and all the interested parties, interested in production and the subject matter itself. And I think it's reasonable to be engaged in any forum of any kind in all available aspects, as at least it would be interesting to share experience and show something new to the customers or partners. Everything was interesting, from the overall organization of the event to the conferences and roundtables, as well as the interaction. Therefore, we expect that the forthcoming event will be of much the same content. Here we have grounds not only for promotional and sales issues to be tackled, but the place where one can find required technical solutions, discuss them with the leading professionals of the expert community of the industry, grasp them and try to apply these ideas to their own development strategy.
The previous Valve Industry Forum Expo in 2013, which happened to be the first event of this kind, showed that the organizers' goal to create the dedicated ground for inter-industry interaction with the focus on the informative business agenda was achieved. The motto of the forum was "We show the best," expressed the very essence and the main advantage of the major sectoral event of the year and the innovation support program, which has been taken as a basis made in truly unequaled.
In my view, the business program was the most successful element, which became the distinctive feature of the forum. Here everyone could find something interesting for oneself. Some participated in the round-table discussions about the, let's say, sealing techniques. The other devoted their time to the diagnostics. As for me, I took part with interest in the conference on standardization with the involvement of the highly experienced foreign professionals. That was especially fascinating.
The main advantages of the forum are the organizers' creative potential, the opportunity for the specialists to participate in various diverse events within single ground, lack of irrelevant information from the related industries. By means of the unique features of the product, the forum is able to meet various requirements of its participants. For the promotion of innovations, along with the regular forms of participation, it is possible to use the mechanisms and tools specially tailored by organizers.
We would like to change the paradigm of solely displaying companies' capabilities, what tended to happen earlier at the similar exhibitions, to the approach when the manufacturers and vendors communicated with the customers. That is, discussed related topics, as an example dedicated to valve industry. And we do believe that we found the proper format of demonstration of capabilities and valve industry market identification. We are certain that in 2015 the forum will be even better, more interesting and richly informative, replete with exhibits and with intriguing business agenda which we focus on. So we will be pleased to see you at our forum as participants, visitors or exhibitors.
We are strongly convinced that the second forum will attract under its banners even more experts, executives of the enterprises and organizations who are interested in the innovative development of the valve industry. We will be happy to see you among the participants and visitors of the second International Valve Industry Forum Expo, which is due to be held in 2015 in Moscow.